How can you earn a Southwest Companion Pass for 2 full years? So let's start with a couple of Companion Pass basics. One is that when you earn the Southwest Companion Pass, it's good until the end of the following year. And you also are going to need to collect 125,000 points in one calendar year. That would be January 1st to December 31st in order to earn your Southwest Companion Pass. Now, before you decide you want to earn one right now for 2 full years, you need to make sure you are timing it correctly. That is the right time for you to be getting a Southwest Companion Pass. To learn more about that, check out our video on timing your Southwest Companion Pass. If it is right for you to get the Southwest Companion Pass and you want to get it for 2 full years, you're going to want to get that pass in January because that means it's going to be good for that entire year and for the entire following year, making it good for almost 2 full years. So how do you do that? You have to very carefully earn your points the year prior, but make sure they don't credit to your Southwest account until January. Now, if you would like personalized help, a step-by-step plan that's customized to your specific situation on exactly how to do this to make sure you don't get the timing wrong, come join us, please, inside of Families Fly Free, where we will make sure that you do this right. This is just one of many things that we help our members with every single day to make sure they get the very most out of their travel rewards so they can fly free and travel free wherever they want, whenever they want.